how to check how many hours you have on Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. Now, this is the only way to actually check this out, so I'll show you guys that right now. Open a new tab in your Roblox supported browser and search for Robpro. Locate the Robpro extension in the Chrome Web Store and add it to Chrome. Once added, a new page will appear. Return to the Roblox page and refresh it. A pop-up will appear, indicating that your user has not been verified in the current installation of Robpro, and some features may require verification. Click Verify My User with a single click, and the page will refresh. Currently, it may show no playtime info available yet. To initiate playtime recording, open or click on a game. You will now see Played along with the corresponding number of minutes. This method, utilizing the Robpro extension, offers a convenient way to keep track of your playtime on Roblox. The catch with this approach is that, after installing the extension, it only begins tracking your gameplay hours moving forward. Unfortunately, you can't view the hours you've played in the past before installing the extension. It's important to understand that checking your historical playtime on Roblox isn't possible without this extension. Roblox lacks a built-in feature for directly accessing past playtime data. The extension starts tracking your playtime after you've played games for a while. Once you've played a few games, you can see the tracked hours on your homepage. You can filter this information by 7 days, 30 days, 365 days, or all time. Despite its limitations, this is currently the only method available to check how many hours you've spent in Roblox. That's it for the video, guys. If this information was helpful, feel free to share your feedback in the comments. I hope this video has assisted you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.